What is good, YouTube? Day
23.
24.
24 Kobe.
Yeah, 24. RIP, my man
It's
Kobe.
already day 24.
But yeah, we're just gonna
Hmm.
recap the trade I took today. And yeah, fuck, got break even 2 times. But let's see. So, coming into the market, what do we see here? Hold up. Coming into the market, we are obviously bullish. We didn't have this bullshit. But we were coming out of this 4 hour film. And then inverse this new week opening gap we had right here. Filled the whole thing. After that, yeah, just bullish on higher time frame. We're at all-time highs. Again, not much on 1 hour today. Not much on 15 either, if I'm being honest. Besides for, what's it called? This 15-minute gap we had, I think it was also a 1 hour. That's all we had. Then come 5 minute. Really nothing much besides for the 5 minute gap above we had right here. So really, just looking longs today, we had, what's it called? London and Asia session below. So that's usually a good point to have on liquidity. All
Yeah.
session highs and lows are good draws.
Okay.
But as you see, market opens right here. We put in our 8:30 wick right there.
Damn. What's it called? If market sweeps like both lows, like how it just did, it also helps you tell that it might go up.
Yeah, like
Big time, like big time.
Not really.
Or no, because it opened below it. Or no, it went lower and then fuck it. Yeah, there's the gap.
So we swept the liquidity.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we sweep those lows and we're in this, what's it called?
Bullish trend.
No, not at all. And we tapped into this 15-minute fair value gap here, sweeping the lows inside of it as well. We formed, what's it called? We had a SMT at the low right here.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. See that.
And then, let's see, I think we had a 30-second inversion we could have taken on it. Let's see. Oh. I mean, yeah, which we ended up getting up here. 30-second inversion. Stop. But on this, we probably would have got break even, most likely. At least for me, after sweeping internal highs, probably would have went break even here. Just tapped. And then we started running. So, really had no entry throughout all of this until what's it called? We inverse this fat ass 1 minute fair value gap.
Yeah.
Which number one was the last fair value gap of this downward move we made.
Yeah.
And just before we formed our, where is it at? SMT. So we had a SMT coming here to the lows. Is that? Yeah. So that to right there. I think here too, to be honest. Yeah, we had another SMT right here. And then we inversed the gap. Entered on that, got filled a little higher up right there. Stopped 20 points. And then we were targeting literally just this internal liquidity we had.
Shit.
And then break even was at our fucking 8:30 wick. which you see, we literally just tapped it, then got stopped out by, let's see, 3 points.
That's fucking insane. I ain't gonna lie.
So yeah, unfortunate on that. Then ended up playing out. So correct draw on liquidity coming in.
Yeah.
Then I mean our second trade was kind of more bullshit, not gonna lie. Let's go. I think it was rejection out of no. It was rejection out of 1 minute. Oh, where we at? Yeah. This 1 minute. Which I also think we might have had a 5 minute too. No clue though. But tapped in there, got rejection. We formed SMT. Let's see. Yeah. On what's it called? Where is it? Yeah. Had a SMT all the way across like that. So, I was pretty confident in longs after that. Entry was off of our 30-second then. What you see, we got right here.
Yeah.
30-second entered. Bang. Stop below. Then literally break even went these internal highs, which we swept on this candle, and then we ended up just going down. So draw on this again would have been just previous highs up here, or you could have targeted all-time highs all the way here, which I didn't think looked bad either, but again, Trump tweeted some shit. We started going down after that.
For real?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
But I mean, both trades weren't bad. First one was better than second one. But yeah, this was just fucking unfortunate. Ozzy's ass took that one too, man.
Yeah, I'd say something like that.
But bitch didn't get break even. Yeah. Why? I don't know.
Wait, on this one?
Yeah.
I think I did. Yeah.
You lying. You got stopped in profit. Where was your break even point on this?
I think I was trailing. I think I trailed it, gang. I ain't gonna lie.
But at what point did you go break even?
Right here?
Yeah.
As soon as it swept this right here, this fucking thing, that weight right there you got.
You probably marked that one.
That would have been insane.
But I kept trailing and I ended off with like just 800.
Yeah, fuck it.
Cause I was like, I needed the money type shit.
But yeah, fuck it. Unfortunate we got break even, but trade played out, so can't be too mad. Shit. Manny, you got questions on the trade?
Not this one. I actually got it a little bit. Just that it was unfortunate that you got way on break even.
Alright, tell me why I took this trade.
Because you had an SMT and then following another SMT up in the fucking minute.
What were we rejecting?
You rejected off of your opening gap, no?
What the, Manny?
What opening gap?
Opening gap? Please.
The 8 a.m. candle wick that you were talking about.
We rejected off of that?
No, you can actually inverse off of that one big one.
So what did we reject off of here?
That smaller box right above there. I don't know what that is. What the fuck is this?
Not at all, no. Not at all. It's like we just ignored everything I said.
Dude, it's so hard to know what fucking boxes is in which time frame, gang. It's so hard. This one's a fucking what? Would you say it's a 1 minute? That's
1 minute, yeah.
Fat ass 1 minute. Fat ass 1 minute.
And what did we do off of that again?
You inversed it.
So we entered the trade there.
Nice.
Where's our SMT?
Inside of the fat 1 minute.
Okay. And what gap did we reject out of? Or where did we reject? There's only 2 boxes on
this bottom one.
Thank you. Yeah.
I don't know what it is. What is that? An hour?
15. So we rejected out of 15, formed the SMT, inversed the 1 minute, entered.
Yeah, sounds fair.
And what were we targeting?
Your high, your previous session high. No, not your session. Just an internal high.
Thank you. Yes, targeted an internal high. And shit, yeah, that's about it.
Yeah.
So trash. I'm so trash.
Yeah.
Vocabulary you gotta get up.
Well, yeah, simple fucking trade. This dude took the same one.
Yeah.
But yeah, if for day 23, I'll cook up tomorrow. Trust. I'll up out 10 racks. 10 racks tomorrow. Don't worry. Hopefully. But tune in for day 25. Almost done teaching them. We about to celebrate.